Educational video, which integrates the audio, video, textbook, and teachers know-how into the single video. Then we combine together into a whole set of the video course or mission. Edu's mission is to provide affordable, on-demand educational video course to enrich your life experience through learning. Let me explain in more detail. Affordable. If you can afford your time to study, to learn, we can offer you the value of price course. On demand, you can access it and learn at your own pace. Educational video. Combine the textbook, audio, and teacher's explanations into the single video we call Edu. Course. Educational course. It is a set of videos, online quiz, downloadable notes, and writing access, etc. Remember, it's more than just a course, a single book. It is a system. Share we know the best, and the best we know. Join us in our platform. See you there.